Look around you. Every day, we move through a world that's alive with energy. Energy that powers our homes, our workplaces, and the very streets we walk on. Our world runs on energy. Cars, planes, factories, all powered by fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels have driven progress for over a century, fueling our growth and connecting the globe. But burning these fuels releases carbon dioxide, trapping heat and changing our climate. The air gets dirtier and the planet gets warmer, putting our future at risk. We need a cleaner way to power our lives and keep our planet healthy for generations. Imagine a world where children can play under clear skies and nature thrives alongside our cities. The good news? We have the tools to solve this: science and innovation. Around the world, brilliant minds are working on solutions that can transform how we live. Solar panels soak up sunlight, turning it into clean electricity for our homes and businesses. Wind turbines spin in the breeze, harnessing the power of the wind to generate energy without pollution. And now, hydrogen is stepping into the spotlight as a game changer in the energy world. Hydrogen is everywhere, and when used for energy, it produces only water, no carbon, no pollution. It's clean, efficient, and incredibly versatile. Imagine cars that emit water vapor instead of harmful gases, factories powered by clean fuel, running day and night without polluting the air. This isn't just a dream, it's a future we can build with green hydrogen. It's a future where our energy is as clean as the air we want to breathe. Science is making this possible right now. Every day, researchers are discovering new ways to make hydrogen cleaner and more affordable. The journey to clean energy has its challenges, but human ingenuity always finds a way. With teamwork and creativity, we're overcoming obstacles and making progress. Today, we'll explore a breakthrough that brings the green hydrogen future closer than ever. This is a turning point in our energy story. It's a story of tiny atoms doing a huge job, changing the way we power our world. Science is making our world cleaner and cooler, helping cities breathe easier and people live healthier lives. So put on your safety goggles. Things are about to get exciting. We're about to witness innovation in action. The clean energy revolution is here, and you're part of it. Together, we can make a difference for our planet and our future. Let's dive into how we're turning science fiction into reality, one discovery at a time. The next chapter in energy starts now. Ready? Let's go. The future is bright, and it begins today. Why is hydrogen such a big deal? What makes this tiny, almost invisible element so important for our future? It's the simplest, most abundant element in the universe. Our sun is a giant ball of hydrogen, fusing together to create unimaginable amounts of energy. Every ray of sunlight that reaches Earth is powered by hydrogen fusion happening millions of kilometers away. But here on Earth, hydrogen rarely exists on its own. It's usually locked up in water molecules or trapped inside methane gas, making it tricky to access in its pure form. To use hydrogen as a clean fuel, we need to extract pure H2 gas, which can be stored, transported, and used in a variety of ways. Most hydrogen today comes from natural gas, a process that unfortunately releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is what's known as gray hydrogen. Blue hydrogen tries to solve this by capturing and storing that carbon, but the technology is expensive, energy-intensive, and not always effective. The real hero is green hydrogen, made by splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using renewable electricity, a process called electrolysis that produces zero emissions. Electrolysis uses electricity to break the bonds in water, releasing pure hydrogen and oxygen. It's a simple idea, but incredibly powerful. If the electricity comes from solar panels or wind turbines, the entire process is completely carbon-free, making green hydrogen a truly clean fuel. You start with just water and sunshine, and you end up with clean hydrogen fuel and oxygen as a useful byproduct. Green hydrogen lets us store the power of the sun and wind for later use, acting as a giant battery for renewable energy. Solar and wind are intermittent, but hydrogen can be stored for days, weeks, or even months and used whenever we need it, day or night, rain or shine. It's like bottling sunshine for a rainy day, capturing clean energy and saving it for when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. This makes our energy system more reliable, more flexible, and helps us move away from polluting fossil fuels for good. Green hydrogen is the missing link for a clean, flexible energy future, connecting renewables to everything from industry to transportation. It's a game changer for how we power our world, opening up new possibilities for a sustainable planet. But if green hydrogen is so promising, what's holding it back? Let's find out. Making green hydrogen sounds perfect, but there's a catch. Electrolysis needs a catalyst, a substance that speeds up the reaction. The best catalyst? Platinum. It's efficient, stable, and reliable. But platinum is incredibly rare and expensive, more valuable than gold. This platinum problem makes green hydrogen costly and hard to scale. To build millions of electrolyzers, we'd need huge amounts of platinum, driving up costs. The very thing that makes green hydrogen work is also holding it back. Scientists have searched for cheaper alternatives, but nothing matched platinum's performance. The challenge? Get platinum's efficiency without the price tag. Without a solution, green hydrogen can't compete with fossil fuels. The world needs a breakthrough to make clean hydrogen affordable. The platinum bottleneck is the last big hurdle. But science is about to deliver a game-changing answer. Let's see how. Science delivers. In July 2025, researchers at Imperial College London unveiled a catalyst that uses 95% less platinum without sacrificing performance. This is a giant leap for green hydrogen. Years of research in chemistry and nanotechnology led to this breakthrough. The team, led by Dr. Aris Papanikolaou, asked, what makes platinum so effective? They discovered that only isolated platinum atoms are needed for top performance. Enter the single-atom catalyst individual platinum atoms, each in the perfect spot. The challenge was keeping these atoms separate and stable. The solution? A special structure that locks each atom in place, maximizing efficiency. This approach rewrites the rules for hydrogen production. It's a testament to curiosity and creative problem solving. With this discovery, the platinum problem is cracked wide open. The clean hydrogen revolution just got a massive boost. Let's see how this new catalyst works. So, what's the secret behind this breakthrough catalyst? Let's break it down step by step. The team engineered a multi-layered material. Imagine it as a microscopic lasagna, with each layer playing a crucial role in the catalyst's performance. At the base, there's a robust yet inexpensive alloy made from cobalt and nickel. This forms a sturdy, reliable foundation for the entire structure. On top of that, they placed a single atom-thick layer of graphene, a super-strong, ultra-conductive sheet of carbon atoms arranged in a perfect lattice. But this isn't ordinary graphene. It's been engineered with tiny, precise holes, just the right size for trapping individual platinum atoms, ensuring they stay put. These platinum atoms are then carefully sprinkled onto the graphene, each one finding its own designated spot, held securely in place by the engineered pores. This clever arrangement prevents the platinum atoms from clumping together, making sure every single atom is exposed and ready to work. In traditional catalysts, many platinum atoms end up buried deep inside the material where they can't participate in the reaction and are essentially wasted. With this new design, every platinum atom sits right on the surface, acting as a superstar, each one working at peak efficiency to drive the reaction. It's like giving every player their own spot on the field, so no one is left out and everyone contributes to the team's success. The result? You get maximum catalytic power while using only a tiny amount of platinum, making the process both efficient and cost-effective. This innovative design dramatically slashes costs and significantly boosts performance, making green hydrogen production more accessible than ever. The affordable metals do the heavy lifting, while platinum delivers the magic touch. The age-old platinum problem? Consider it solved. This is the recipe for affordable, scalable green hydrogen, a game-changer for clean energy production worldwide. Now let's explore what this innovation could mean for the world and the future of sustainable energy. The impact is huge, using 95% less platinum slashes the cost of electrolyzers. Platinum goes from main expense to minor ingredient. This makes green hydrogen production far more affordable. Companies and governments can invest in hydrogen without breaking the bank. Lower costs mean faster adoption and bigger impact. Reducing platinum dependence also makes supply chains more stable and less risky. We can use abundant materials like cobalt, nickel, and carbon, with just a sprinkle of platinum. The goal: produce green hydrogen for under $2 per kilogram, competitive with fossil fuels. This breakthrough brings that goal within reach. Cheaper electrolyzers mean cheaper hydrogen for everyone. The clean energy transition just got a lot more realistic. The world is ready for affordable, clean hydrogen. Here's why that matters for all of us. Cheaper green hydrogen is a game changer for our lives and the planet. It's not just about electricity. Some sectors are hard to electrify, like trucks, ships, and planes. Batteries are too heavy for these jobs, but hydrogen is a lightweight, zero-emission fuel. Imagine trucks and ships powered by hydrogen, emitting only water. Clean hydrogen makes this vision possible and affordable. Heavy industries like steel and cement also need intense heat, usually from fossil fuels. Green hydrogen can provide that heat and act as a clean chemical reactant. Using hydrogen in industry slashes global emissions. It's also key for storing renewable energy and meeting climate goals. Green hydrogen fills the gaps batteries can't reach. This new catalyst accelerates the clean energy transition. It helps us move faster away from fossil fuels. The future of energy is cleaner, cheaper, and within reach. Let's see how global teamwork is making it happen. This breakthrough is part of a global effort. Science is a team sport. Around the world, researchers are finding new ways to make hydrogen cheaper and cleaner. Some are developing catalysts with no precious metals using iron, nickel, or molybdenum. Others are improving electrolyzer membranes for better efficiency. Advances at places like Stanford and the U.S. National Renewable Energy Laboratory are pushing the field forward. Companies are building electrolyzer gigafactories, driving down costs with mass production. Innovation in science, engineering, and manufacturing is creating a perfect storm for green hydrogen. The momentum is real and growing. The future is arriving faster than we think. Let's look at what this means for tomorrow. We've seen how a tiny atom can solve a giant problem. This isn't just a cool experiment, it's hope in action. Science and ingenuity are our best tools against climate change. The new catalyst is a milestone, but the journey continues. We need more solar panels, wind turbines, and smart policies. Most importantly, we need people who believe in a cleaner future. Your support for science fuels real change. Imagine cities with clean air, a stable climate, and energy from sun, wind, and hydrogen. This isn't fantasy, it's the world we're building, one discovery at a time. Next time you see a glass of water, think of the hydrogen inside, ready to power our world. The green hydrogen revolution is here and gaining speed. Thanks to breakthroughs like this, we're on the cusp of profound change. We have the power to build a better, greener tomorrow. Let's get to work. The future is ours to create. We can do this.